The Zoom video you are watching right now is recorded on Mi 10 Youth. Yes, and I have not just one but a lot of samples like this to show you in this video, and also we'll be talking about its launch date. So first of all, let's talk about the display. Then this Mi 10 Youth version is coming with 6.47 inches AMOLED display with in-display fingerprint scanner, but if we talk about refresh rate, then yet now no refresh rate is confirmed for this display. It is having quad camera setup at the rear side and single Waterdrop notch camera style at the front. And at the rear side we will be having 48 megapixel primary lens, 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 10x hybrid zoom, 5x optical zoom and 50x ultra far zoom, which is also digital zoom. And at the front side there will be a Waterdrop notch, as I told you already, and this will be a 16 megapixel selfie camera. So let's start with 48 megapixel primary lens shots, and this image is captured using 48 megapixel main lens. You can see this is like a sunset scene and this is way much better. Actually, without editing, this shot is looking too much good, and this is what Youth Edition is providing you, the best quality images. And I would say this sunset view captured from Mi 10 Youth is so satisfying. Then this one is also shot from primary lens in portrait mode. I think, well, the results are not less than iPhone premium version cameras, because I have seen some iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone SE 2020 image samples. They also provide kind of same images in sunshine like this Mi 10 Youth. There are almost the same colors. Here comes the super night mode image clicked from that same lens. Well, this is absolutely well illuminated image as comparing it to $1000 Motorola Edge Plus. Then in Motorola we get night shot but not well lightened, but this 2000 RMB smartphone is actually playing well. And also this is expected price, I am not sure about it. And then here comes the telephoto image, which is most unique and most anticipated feature of this smartphone. Well, this is the first wide angle shot captured using telephoto lens, and it is fantastic. Look, the area it has covered with super wide angle lens looks like it has been shot through any DSLR wide angle lens, but actually it has been shot through the Mi 10 Youth version telephoto lens. Then here starts the official game. Zooming it a little bit, it provides you every detail of objects, and then zooming it further, now it is 10x hybrid zoomed, but even we can see every detail clearly. And here comes the 50x times legendary zoom. Oh my god, this is awesome. I know quality is not too much high, but in this price tag what you are getting is actually not less. Let's have a look at other samples. Here is a view from other end of ocean. It is amazingly covering a lot of area again. Then here is the second photo, a bit zoomed in, almost 5 times zoomed in photo, no loss of quality, it is same as the first one. And then comes the 10x hybrid zoomed photo captured using the telephoto lens, and this is impressive. Even in this hybrid zoom we are facing no quality issues, and this is winning my heart truly. And then 50 times zoomed results, not good enough, but still you can watch the clock needles and time clearly. And then this is captured using separate wide lens of photo, which is of 5 megapixel, very fantastic quality, and this is covering 120 degrees of area as it is mentioned at bottom of the photo. Then finally a macro shot sample, not bad, looking so amazing. We can see the patterns on leaf clearly. So that were the sample images of Mi 10 Youth, and according to my opinions this is going to be the best budget mid-range camera smartphone of 2020, and I am 100% sure it will be. In talking about some internals, then it is packing up 6 GB of RAM and will be powered by a Snapdragon 765 processor with liquid cooling as well. And there will also be optical image stabilization in the Mi 10 Youth. Rear camera, 48 megapixel sensor, and 120 fps slow motion is also expected in Mi 10 Youth. and then the 5G support is actually a mystery till now, and I think that this Mi 10 Youth will be coming with 5G support, because even in mid-range segment we are getting a lot of 5G smartphones. And I mean, Xiaomi is just rocking on, and it's gonna take over the whole mid-range industry. Then talking about the battery size, then it is expected to have 4000 milliamps of battery with 20 watts of fast charging. And pricing, you already know, almost 2000 Chinese yuan, that is expected price, not sure about it. And if it is gonna cost you 2000 Chinese yuan, then I think that this is the best price for this smartphone. So overall, this smartphone is actually packing up very amazing features and specs. And let's end it up here. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for future tech reviews and tech updates, and I'll see you in the next one.